Well, he hit the other waves. He slowed down for his own waves. He wasn't sure of taking them. You can go right over them like nothing.
Yeah, you got to have it up though to do that.
Give her! Can't see it anymore. There he is.
There he goes.
It's hard to turn. It turns like a brick. But once it turns, like once it catches, it goes quick. But at first, you're like, whoa! And then it'll go, eh?
Yeah, I see. He's seeing that now, too.
What? You just got to open it up and then get used to steering it fast. You got it up yet?
You got it up on that one.
There, it's almost up there. See? It keeps slowing down for waves.
He doesn't know though.
Take a day of getting used to it. Figure that out.
But once you two have this out a lot more often, you guys will be able to get more used to it.
I don't want to try it.
He wants to bring it in.
Go ahead.